Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome to the one-stop shop for all the latest and greatest in the world of technology, Future Tech Vids. We are thrilled to bring you the most cutting-edge gadgets, innovative software, and game-changing advancements in the tech industry. With all the new technology seeming to pop up everywhere, comes with it a rise in demand for new jobs. Some stranger than others, but all of it are very much possible. Here are 10 jobs in the future. Self-driving car mechanic. With self-driving cars, the need for mechanical repair will be significantly reduced, as these cars are designed with advanced sensors and software that can detect and diagnose any problems. Instead, these mechanics will need to be experts in advanced software programming and data management. They will be responsible for maintaining and repairing the complex algorithms and systems that drive self-driving cars. To become a mechanic of the future, one will need to possess a deep understanding of computer science, data management, and cybersecurity. They will need to be proficient in programming languages such as C++, Python, and Java, and have a deep understanding of artificial intelligence and machine learning. They will also need to have strong problem-solving skills to diagnose and repair complex software issues. Another critical skill that future mechanics will need is data analysis. With the vast amounts of data generated by self-driving cars, these mechanics will need to be able to analyze and interpret this data to identify patterns and trends. This will allow them to proactively identify and fix potential issues after they cause problems on the road. Organ makers. As the world of science and technology progresses at an unprecedented pace, we are witnessing incredible breakthroughs that are revolutionizing the way we think about healthcare. One such breakthrough is the development of fully functioning organs that could potentially save millions of lives. The implications of this breakthrough are truly staggering. No longer will people have to suffer from debilitating diseases that could have been cured with a new organ. The waiting list for organ transplants will become a thing of the past, and people will no longer have to die waiting for a donor. The possibilities of this technology are endless. We could potentially create organs that are more resilient and long-lasting than those we are born with. We could even create organs that are specifically designed for each individual, reducing the risk of rejection and making transplants more successful. Mind transfer specialist. Hold on tight, because we're about to make a mind-blowing journey into the future of neuroscience and technology. Recent advancements in these fields have suggested that it may be possible to transfer the human mind into a digital or quantum-based computational system, or even another biological neural network. This breakthrough could unleash a world of possibilities that we've only seen in science fiction movies. So far, imagine being able to transfer your consciousness into a digital format, where you could live on beyond your physical body. This opens up a whole new world of opportunities for exploration, learning, and even immortality. You could experience things that were once impossible, travel to far-off galaxies, and have knowledge and experience that were once only limited by your own physical body. Human-machine teaming manager. The role of the human-machine teaming manager is to combine the strengths of robots and AI algorithms with the unique qualities that human employees bring to the table. This involves creating a hybrid environment where humans and machines can collaborate to achieve common business goals. The human-machine teaming manager will need to be comfortable working in a highly technical environment where they can oversee the deployment of robots and AI systems. They will also need to possess strong leadership skills to manage the human workforce and build trust between humans and machines. One of the key benefits of human-machine collaboration is the increased productivity. Robots can perform repetitive and dangerous tasks with precision, while humans can bring creativity and problem-solving skills to the table. Together, they can achieve much more than they could individually. Memory wipers. Have you ever wished you could just forget a certain memory that haunts you and causes you pain? Well, guess what? In the next decade or so, science will advance so much that scientists will be able to pinpoint the exact location of each memory in your brain and even erase them if necessary. Yes, you've heard that right. We're talking about a memory wiper that can help you erase painful memories and allow you to move on with your life. Imagine being able to visit the memory wiper and get rid of all those traumatic events that are holding you back. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But it's not. It's the future of science. Think about it. Traumatic events from our past can have a significant impact on our lives, and they can affect our mental health, relationships, and overall well-being. But with this new technology, we can finally say goodbye to those negative memories and move forward with our lives. Of course, there are ethical implications to consider, and we need to make sure that this technology is used responsibly. But overall, the idea of being able to wipe out painful memories is incredibly exciting, and it could revolutionize the way we think about mental health. So what do you think about this? Are you excited about the possibility of having a memory wiper? Let me know in the comments below. Space tourism operator. Gone are the days when space travel was only accessible to a select few. With the help of these operators, space travel will become a mainstream adventure that you and I can enjoy. Imagine floating in zero gravity, gazing at the Earth from above, and experiencing the thrill of space travel. But this isn't just about fun and adventure. Space tourism operators will also play a crucial role in making space travel safe, reliable, and affordable for all. They will use their expertise to ensure that space tourism is conducted in a way that is environmentally sustainable and in compliance with international regulations. So what kind of space travel experiences can we expect from these operators? There will be a range of options depending on your budget and the level of adventure you seek. For those looking for a quick thrill, suborbital flights will be available, allowing you to experience a few minutes of weightlessness as you reach the edge of space. Weather Modification Police. Imagine a world where drought-stricken regions can receive artificial rainfall or where hurricanes can be weakened before they can make landfall. These scenarios may become a reality as scientists continue to study and develop weather modification technologies. However, these technologies must be used responsibly to avoid causing harm to other regions of the world. The responsibility of law enforcement and weather control will be to ensure that weather modification technologies are used in a way that does not harm others. This will require the establishment of international regulations and oversight to ensure that all countries adhere to responsible use of these technologies. Another challenge that law enforcement may face in weather control is the possibility of intentional misuse. As with any technology, there will always be the risk that it may fall into wrong hands. And weather modification technologies are no exception. Terrorist organizations or rogue states may attempt to use these technologies as a weapon, causing widespread destruction and chaos. Personal data broker. Welcome to the future of personal data, where you have the power to take back control of your information and decide who gets to access it. In today's digital age, it's becoming commonplace for people to share their personal data with companies like Twitter and Google. However, many people are unaware that their data is often shared with third-party firms without their knowledge or consent. But fear not, because a new solution is emerging, the personal data broker. This revolutionary concept allows individuals to negotiate with advertisers and companies interested in acquiring their data, to sell it on their own terms for maximum value. Imagine having the power to decide who gets access to your data and even being able to sell it to the highest bidder. Personal data brokers provide a valuable service by acting as a middleman between individuals and companies. They work to negotiate the terms of data exchange and ensure that your privacy is protected. 3D Printing Chef. Picture a world where you could download a recipe online and print out a perfectly cooked meal in minutes. The 3D Printing Chef is making this a reality. They can design intricate patterns and shapes, combine textures and flavors, and even create meals tailored to specific dietary needs. But it's not just about the end product. These chefs are also pushing the boundaries of sustainable food production. By using 3D printing technology, they can create meals with precise portions and reduce waste. They can also experiment with alternative food sources such as algae and insects, making food production more environmentally friendly. The possibilities of this technology are endless. Imagine a world where astronauts can print out fresh meals in space, or where food can be printed out for disaster relief efforts. With the help of the 3D printing chef, these scenarios can become a reality. Extinct species revivalists. Extinct species revivalists are at the forefront of this exciting development. They are using innovative and cutting-edge methods to resurrect animals that have been long gone from centuries. From the woolly mammoth to the Tasmanian tiger, these scientists are determined to bring back the species that once roamed our planet. But how is this possible, you may ask? Well, it's all thanks to recent advancements in genetic engineering and cloning technology. These scientists are using DNA extracted from fossils and preserved specimens to reconstruct the genomes of extinct animals. Once the genomes are reconstructed, the next step is to insert them into the cells of a closely related living species. But that's not all. These scientists are also working on ways to reintegrate these resurrected species into their natural environments. This involves studying the behavior and ecology of the animals and identifying the most suitable habitats for them to thrive in. We appreciate you choosing to join us here on Future Tech Vids. Remember to show your appreciation by giving us a thumbs up, sharing our content with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Be sure to tap that notification bell to remain informed about our latest updates, and we can't wait to catch up with you in our next video.